In this video, I will be showing you how to make Mexican sweet bread with in-depth directions and instructions. Let's start with what ingredients you will need first. In a pot or bowl, add 2 tablespoons flour, 14 grams yeast, half a cup of warm milk, and 2 tablespoons sugar. This needs to sit in a warm place in order for the yeast to rise. Mix it all together. Cover it and let it sit until it has risen. In a mixer, add 4½ cups of flour, pinch of salt, one stick of butter, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 teaspoons vanilla, 'Once risen, add your yeast mixture. Add 3 eggs. Half a cup of milk. After mixing, add the dough into a bowl, cover it, and let it rise. In a food processor, add 1½ cups of flour, 1½ cups of sugar, 1½ cups of vegetable shortening, 2 teaspoons vanilla, Here is where you can add different flavors to your topping. Roll out your dough once it has risen and add your topping. Bake at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes.